Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Rashid, your instructor. Before going towards the introduction of this dashboard, I must request to view the projects that we completed so far. As you can see on your screen, make sure to watch all these real market projects. Today we are diving into the world of Power BI to develop a complete time series sales analysis dashboard. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. Now let's feast your eyes on this incredible dashboard. At the top we have got the key metrics like order quantity, cost of goods sold, total revenue, total profit, and the percentage of profit, along with the number of sales. Think of the cost of goods sold as the total cost to produce the goods or the services. It includes material, labor, overhead cost. In simpler terms, it is the expense of making the product. Total revenue is the total income generated from sales, while profit is what remains after deducting the cost. Now the percentage of the profit is a simple calculation. It is the total profit divided by the total revenue. It gives us a percentage that represents how much profit we are making relative to our total sales. Moving on, check out this line showing profit by month. Notice the dotted line, that's our linear forecasting line indicating that our goal is to hit 4 million in profit each month. If we fall short, it's a signal that something might need attention. The profit must more than 4 million. Now let's look at breakdown by days and quarters. We have even add slicers to this dashboard to slice your data as per your requirement. And at the bottom you can see the sales quantity by product names. Before we start building this dashboard, a request to all viewers: if you find value in what we are doing here, please hit that subscribe button and show your support. Your encouragement keeps this channel going and growing. Thanks for being the part of our community. So first of all, I'm going to open Power BI. Now I'm going to save this file, Control S from your keyboard, selecting this more options, and at the bottom browse this device, desktop, and here I will be saving this dashboard, time series dashboard in Power BI. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to select this import data from Excel. This is my data. And here I will be selecting my tables one by one: customer, geography, product, territory, fact, internet, sales table. So basically I have fixed all the things related to the formatting. So that's why I'm loading this data directly to Power BI. So I'm clicking this load button. So my data is loaded successfully, as you can see here. So now I'm going to visit this table view. Here I'm selecting this new table. This is my calendar auto. Okay, so I'm selecting this new column. I need here year, and here I will be selecting the date. Okay, this is my year. I'm selecting new column. Month is equal to, month is the DAX, and here I will be selecting the calendar date, parenthesis close, enter. New column, month name is equal to, format is a DAX formula, and here I will be selecting my calendar date, and here I need to set the formatting to 3 times M. Okay, so this is my month name. Now I'm adding one new column. This is my quarter is equal to, quarter is the DAX formula, and here I will be adding my this date, parenthesis close, enter. New column, day name is equal to format, and I will be setting it to calendar date, and the formatting of the day must be 3 times D. Okay, if I will enter 4 times D, it will give me this complete name. So basically I need the shorter name, so that's why I'm using 3 times D. So now at the end I'm adding, and here I'm going to check if this day name will be Sunday, then it will give it name of weekend, and if other than Sunday, then it will be a normal day. So weekend, weekday is equal to, if in calendar day name is equal to Sunday, then it will be weekend, otherwise it will be weekday. Okay, so now you can see this is my Sunday and it is showing this is weekend, and the rest days are my weekdays. So now I'm going to this model view. First of all, I will remove the relationship between the tables. I'm just selecting this line and pressing delete from my keyboard. So basically this geography, customer, product, category, calendar, these are my dimensional tables and this is my transactional or fact table. In my dimensional tables, I'm having the unique values while in my this table, I'm having the repeat or the transactional entries. So first of all, I'm going to select this geography key to this geography key. So I'm just selecting this one and connecting it with this geography, this customer key to my this customer key, this product key to this product key, this sales territory key to this sales territory key, and this order date with my this date. So now as you can see my these dimensional tables showing one on their side and on this side we can see this static sign. So that's mean there is a one to many relationship between these tables. More if you want to learn one to many relationship in details in this episode I have explained it in depth. So this relationship part is completed. Report view and now I have to make the DAX calculations. So for this under this head this is enter data. This is my calculations load and I will click on this new measure. This is my order quantity and here I will be typing sum in my this table. I want to calculate the quantity. So this is my order quantity and I will be selecting this comma and make the decimal to 0. Again, I'm selecting this new measure. This is my cost of goods sold is equal to, I'm using the formula of sum x. In sum x, the first thing I need to provide is the name of the table. So the table name is fact internet sales and I have to multiply the quantity and my quantity is in my this fact internet sales and here this is my quantity and I have to multiply this with the cost and the cost is also in my this table. This is my cost. So the multiplication of these both will give me the cost of goods sold. I'm selecting this, making this 0 decimal. Again, I'm selecting this one, new measure. Now I will be calculating my total revenue. Sum x. Firstly, I need to put the table name. Then I have to multiply the quantity with my unit price. This multiplication will give me the total revenue. Select this comma style and decimal to 0. Again, I'm selecting this one, new measure. Here I'm calculating my profit. So my total revenue minus cost of goods sold. Okay. So this is my profit. I'm selecting this comma format, set decimal to 0. So the next thing is new measure, percentage of profit. So I'm dividing my this profit with my total revenue. So this is my percentage of profit. I have explained this percentage of profit at the beginning of this video in the introduction part. Again, I'm selecting this one, new measure, number of sales is equal to count rows fact sales. Basically, I'm going to count the rows of this table because each row means one sale. So the total number of rows equal to the number of sales. I'm selecting this comma format and setting the decimal to 0. Now again I'm selecting this one, new measure. I'm going to calculate the profit of quarter number 1 is equal to calculate needs the formula. So the formula is the profit and here I have to apply the filter. So my filter is in calendar, the quarter is equal to 1. So basically it will calculate the formula when the quarter will be 1. Okay, I'm copying this one and here I'm selecting new measure, pasting it here, quarter number 2, and I will replace this with 2. So it will give me the profit of quarter number 2. Again, new measure, here I will replace this quarter 3. So it will give me the profit of quarter number 3. New measure, and here I will replace this with quarter number 4. Again, I'm selecting new measure and in new measure, I want the percentage portion quarter 1 profit from the total profit. So I will be dividing the profit of quarter number 1 with my total profit. Again, I'm clicking new measure and I will replace this to, so it will give me the percentage of profit of quarter number 2. New measure, it will give me the profit percentage of quarter number 3. Again, new measure, and here I will replace it with 4. So this will return me the profit percentage of quarter number 4. So my DAX calculations are completed. So now, first of all, I'm going to format your report page, and from canvas background, I'm selecting my this color and making the transparency to 50%. Now I'm going to insert, and I will insert my this shape. Now I'm going to this journal. Under journal, I'm selecting properties, and here I will make this 122. Then I'm visiting this shape. Under shape, this style, and in style, I will be selecting this color and making the border off. Now again, under insert, I'm selecting this shape and I'm visiting this journal section. In journal properties, and I will make this 100 to 190. Now I'm making its copies, 6 copies. Now I'm selecting this one, pressing shift from my keyboard, and I'm selecting all of my these shapes. Format, under format, this align. The first option you need to select is align top, and then the second option you need to select this distribute horizontally. I'm selecting this first one and this last one, and I'm going this shape, under shape to style, and making the color to black, and now selecting rest 4, under shape, style, and making their color to white. I'm making off. So now this is looking cool. Now again I'm selecting this insert. Under insert, this is my circle, and I'm going to this journal properties, and I'm making this 70 to 70. I think 75 will be good. Now again under shape, style, and making the border off. Now I will be making 6 copies of this circle. Copy. I'm selecting this first one, pressing shift and selecting this last one, and under shape I will make their style color to white, and these rest circles make them black. Now I'm selecting this card, and in my card going to this calculation, selecting this order quantity. Now I'm going to this format your visual. Under visual, this is my callout value. I'm making it 18 and making it bold. Similarly, I'm going to this category label 12 and making it bold. Now I'm going to journal. Under journal, I'm going to this effect, and I will make this background to off. Again going to this visual, my this callout value, making its color to white, and similarly this category label and making its value to white. So now I will adjust it here. Now I'm copying and pasting it again. Here I have to make these values to black, this callout value as well black. Copying, pasting it again, pasting it here, copying, pasting it again, and copying, pasting it again. Now I'm selecting this one, and from this order quantity I will uncheck it, and I will be selecting cost of goods sold. Again I'm selecting this one, and I will replace this order quantity to total revenue. Similarly select this one. This is my this profit. Similarly, this is my uncheck this order quantity. This is my percentage of profit. At the last, this is my number of sales. So I will uncheck this order quantity, and I will be selecting this number of sales. So basically I want this 41 in percentage form. So I'm going to select this percentage of profit, and here I will replace this formatting to percentage and make it 0. Now I'm selecting this shape and I'm dragging it. So now this is looking cool. Now I'm going to insert and going to this image, desktop, So these are my images. I'm selecting one by one. Now I'm selecting all of these images, pressing shift from my keyboard and selecting these images, and I'm going to this journal section, going to this property, and I'm making this 50-50. So now I'm going to visit my this build visual, and here I'm selecting this line chart. Now I'm going to visit my this calendar, and I want to select my this month. I want this month on my x-axis and my profit, this profit on y-axis. Now I'm going to visit this format visual, and under journal going to this property and making the height 225 and this one 580. Now going to this title section, and this is my profit by month, and the background to black, text to white, and making it bold and center line. Now I'm visiting this effect, under effect making the background color to this one and transparency to 50%. Now I'm going this visual, and under visual I'm going to this y-axis and this title make it off, and values also make it off. You need to select this data labels under visuals, make it on, and under this data label this is background, make it on, and make the background to black, make it 0, and the data label values make it white and make it bold. Now I'm going to select this slicer, and in slicer I need to put my ears. These are my ears, and now I'm going to visit this format your visual. Under visual this is my slicer setting, and here I will be selecting these styles. Now put this profit into this filter and make it is not blank. Apply this filter. Now I'm visiting this values, the background of the values making it this one, and the font color to white, making them bold. I think black will be okay. Disable the background. Now I'm going to copy my this chart and paste it again, and here I will replace this month with the name of the days. So I'm visiting my this calendar, and here is day name to my x-axis. Basically I'm selecting this slicer, and I'm going to this slicer header, and I'm making disable. So this is looking more attractive. So this is fine now. Now I'm going to copy this again and pasting it here, and I'm converting it to donut chart, and I will replace this day name with my this weekend or weekday. Now I'm visiting my under visuals. This is my detail labels, and here this is values, and I will make them black. Basically this is showing on weekend I'm having 14% sale and rest sales in weekdays. Now I'm going to this format visual again to journal in properties 226351. I'm copying this shape and adjusting this shape here, selecting this shape and making on this title. This is my sales by quarters, bold, background color to black and text color to white, and making them center aligned. So after selecting this shape I'm going to this style and making this fill color to 50% transparency. I'm going to select this shape, copy and paste it again. Firstly I'm selecting this shape, and I'm going to this format. I'm selecting all of these shapes, and I'm going to this format. In format, align on top and distribute horizontally. I'm selecting this shape, going to this style, and here I will be selecting this color, and I'm selecting this one and selecting this white color and making this border. Now I'm selecting this one, copy and paste it again. Basically I'm visiting my this view again, and I'm selecting this one. I'm selecting all of these circles again, going to this style, and here I will be selecting this color. So now I'm copying this one and pasting it here, copying and pasting it here again, copy and pasting it here again, copy and pasting it here again, selecting this one and need to change its color, its callout value color to black. Similarly, this color to black as well. Now this is my sales of quarter number 1, this is quarter number 2, this is quarter number 3, and this is quarter number 4. Similarly, I'm copying pasting it again, and first of all I need to remove its category label and its call out value color to this black. Set the decimal to 0. So I'm replacing this quarter quantity with this quarter number 1 percentage. Similarly, copying pasting it again, copying pasting it again, copying pasting it again. So this is my quarter number 1 percentage. This is my quarter number 2 percentage. This is quarter number 2. Selecting this percentage, making it 0. Similarly, I'm selecting this one and replace this with quarter number 3. Here I will be selecting this percentage. Similarly, this last one is for my quarter number 4 percentage, and I will be selecting this percentage. So now I'm copying this one again, pasting it here. This transparency to 50%, and here I'm going to this slicer. I'm going to this sales territory, and here I will be selecting this sales territory group, and I'm going to this option, format your visual slicer setting, and here I will be selecting this drop down. Now these are the values. This background color will be black and the color of the values will be white. Background is black and the color of the value is white, making the values bold. So this is my slicer. Similarly, I'm copying pasting it again, copying pasting it again, and here it will be sales territory, and here I will be adding the product, this dim product. This is product name. So basically now I can slice the sales with reference to these slicers. Now I'm going to select this get more visuals, and here I will be searching scroller add. I'm selecting this one. So in this, from calculations I will be adding order quantity, and this order quantity will be with reference to this product, and I will be visiting this general section, this title, and I will be making it bold. The background color will be black and the text color will be white, and I will make it center align. Again I'm going to this visual, under visual, this scroller, and the background of the scroller will be this one and the text color will be white. I'm going to change to this one, I think, and the text color then will be black. So now at the end I'm selecting my this profit by month, and I'm going to this add further analysis, and here I will be selecting this average line add. Now I'm selecting this data label on, color to black, decimal to 0. I'm selecting this line, making this line to black, and selecting this dotted. More from this data label, I'm selecting this million unit. Again I'm selecting this profit by day name, and I'm selecting this add line, making on this data label black, display units to million, decimal to 0, and I'm selecting this line, color to black, and selecting this dotted. So now at the end I have to publish my this dashboard on Power BI portal. So under home I will be selecting this publish, Got it? If I will be visiting the portal of Power BI, now you can see at the bottom, this is my time series dashboard in Power BI. If I will click on it, so my dashboard is live now. So this is all with reference to this episode. This is Rashid signing off. Happy analyzing, and I will catch you in the next episode of this incredible playlist. Goodbye.